for today, you're gonna learn on how to make a thin line and thin shapes border. I made this video most especially for beginners because many beginners didn't know that thin lines are possible using Canva. So let's start. So insert a line and just change the color to the color you want and drag the corners, whichever corners you want to drag. And until you see this arrow, just drag it according to how long you want it to be. And just play along with it until you're satisfied with the thickness of your line. See how easy it is to just make a thin line, just dragging the corners of your lines. If you can't see that horizontal arrow, just zoom in until that horizontal arrow appears. Let us now try the shape with borders. When I was a newbie here in Canva, I didn't know how to make this border so thin. But when I started to design more and explore Canva, I discovered that making the thin lines on borders of the shapes is possible. This is the same thing that we did on how to make a thin line. Just drag the corners, drag those edges until you're satisfied with the thickness of your borders. And that's it. I hope you've learned something on this tutorial. And if you have video suggestions, just comment down below. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Thank you for watching.